Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be walking around a 1972 Charger. Just got back from the test drive, so check that video out. It was pretty fun. This is a 4-speed car with a 340 under the hood. Very clean car inside and out. I'm going to be checking everything out. Any flaws that I find, you will know about. Check us out at maplemotors.com. You can find all of our inventory. Wheels, tires, parts, accessories. I can ship these cars to you all around the country. And yeah, we finance. We have financing available at maplemotors.com, so check that out for sure. Went ahead and opened the trunk and the hood, so I'm not flipping the camera around on you. The mat was already pulled up when I opened it. It does have a little bit of surface rust popping up in here in the trunk. I got a little bit of water or moisture the other day from the rains that we had. With these cars, we have an inside storage facility right here that we just got, but if they're sitting outside and get caught in the rain, that is what happens. I mean, it looks nice and dry in here for the time being, but you can tell at some point or another there was some rust starting to form right here, and that's from water getting in. Package tray's in good shape. Figured we'd go ahead and start with the trunk so I could shut it down. Looks like we got good weather stripping all the way around. Go ahead and shut this. If y'all are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos like this every single day. Sometimes I go and do my own thing as well, but I'll get as many of them out there as I can throughout the week to make up for it. We're gonna start up here in the front, go over anything that I see. If it's a chip in the paint to rust or a scratch, you're gonna know about it. It's a beautiful car. The front bumper has got some pitting on it. It is not in perfect shape. You can see looking around, a little haziness here and there. The grill is in great condition though. It looks nice and clean. The little fog lights at the bottom have got some cracks in the plastic. Not perfect. Got a little wax left on it. The tires are in good shape on this one. Probably a good 50%. Maybe a little less than 50, or probably more like 40%. And at the bottom of the doors, nice and solid. There's a chip in the windshield. Looks like it's been repaired. Haziness on the mirror here. Not in perfect shape. Little bubble popping up in the back here. Don't want to see that. Back tires are in better shape than the front. You got a little bit of bubbling popping up right up under the top here. Vinyl tops hold moisture. This then causes rust. If I see it, I'll tell you about it. Especially there's a little spot here. So far, just 1, 2, and then 3. Little spot here on the pillar. There's a little spot here. Trying to check everything. We just got an old Terminator over there. The guy's probably going to be buying before I can even list it. That was going to be a good piece to put online. Same with the back bumper. It's got a little bit of surface popping up on it. The blemishes coming through. The pitting is what I'm trying to get to. Custom tailpipes. They look pretty cool. Couple more little spots up under the vinyl top you need to know about. Go ahead and check the rest of this top out while I'm working on it here. I think that was pretty much it. That's all I can find. But majority of the vinyl tops will do that over time. Then a little replacement piece right here. I don't know if you can see that. I can see it in person. It's a paint run right here. All right, so far so good. Very minimal stuff on this car here. We're gonna go ahead and check the interior out now. I will be putting the hood down towards the end of this video. We're gonna cut the buzzer off for a second while I'm checking the doors out. The panel's in great shape. Power windows, all of it works. Weather stripping feels pretty good. It's not all rotten. Checking the bottoms of the doors. The jambs, carpet, it's in great condition. The seat does have a rip up here. Unfortunately, it's getting a little wear on it. The bottom side looks good. Let's check the back out here. Package tray's in good shape. Headliner looks awesome. The dash is in good shape. The clutch feels good in this car, by the way. I did the test drive. It was shifting nice and smooth. It does let out high, but I think it's an adjustment. And pull it out of gear here. And we'll start her up. Starts up nice and easy on this one. Emergency brake does work. It's holding the car right now. Showing 42,000 miles on the dash. Very hard to prove that. Windshield wipers work. Place your bets on the horn. We'll be trying that in a moment. Radio works. Most of the gauges are working too. The fuel gauge was bouncing around when we were driving. Oil pressure is coming up. Slowly, it comes up though. Engine temps also up. We just got done doing the test drive, so it's on the higher side right now, but it will come back down. This is a whole bunch of paperwork on the car that comes with it, which is good. You want to keep all the paperwork with all your classics, because if that's not there, it's hard to prove anything. All right, we're going to head and do the horn. Did y'all place your bets? You think the horn works on this one? It cuts the annoying buzzer off. It does work. Your blower motor works as well on this car. Almost skipped that. Come on! Yeah. Why you gotta block my car, man?
I didn't know I was gonna be blocked in.
Oh. See you, man. All right, and getting back to it. Motor's nice and quiet in this one. All right, we're gonna go ahead and shut the hood down here. Gotta wiggle the hood a little bit so you don't bend it. Push it down till it latches. You got some hood pins that you can put on it. I'll put on it after the video here. That way I don't scratch the hood up. The hinges are sitting high in the back. Push them down. Lines up nice. Same on this side, hinges a little high. Push it down after you've had the hood up. I'm gonna go ahead and give you some undercarriage shots. We're gonna start up here in the front, work our way all the way around the car. If you have any other questions, we'll try to help you out. There's gonna be a little antifreeze drip in the front just because Pat likes to overfill the antifreeze in all of our radiators. And there's no overflow bucket for this one, so that's the reason there's a drip there. It happens in a lot of my videos. We're going to the driver's door now. All right, guys, I do appreciate you watching. If you have any other questions, definitely check out maplemotors.com. We got financing information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and yes, we can ship these cars all over the nation. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. We'll be here to help you out, so give us a call, 615-822-4444. Thanks again for watching, guys, and don't miss the test drive. You can catch it the last 30 seconds of this video. Y'all have a good one.